Hi guys, let's talk about some leaves. In my garden, I have so many different leaves to look at. There are big leaves, small leaves, and leaves that are smooth and some that sound like sandpaper. Let's take a look around at the leaves. And here's my biggest leaf of them all. Did you hear that? Sound like sandpaper. This is my favorite, my rose leaf. I'm propagating in a jar. And here are all the leaves that I collected in my garden. So many. And I'm just looking at them and examining them. You see I have my little leaf right there. I got a medium leaf right there. And this is a great time if you have a preschooler. You can teach them about size, shape, colors. These are all green usually, but if you look really close, you can see different light green, dark green, a little yellow here and there. And that's my baby small leaf right there. And my cat helping me examine the leaves. So let's look at the leaves a little closer. So many parts of a leaf. Here I'm looking a little closer. I'm looking at the veins of the leaf and the midrib of the leaf. The veins, like our veins, help give nutrients, like water. The apex is the tip of the leaf. It's also very important of the leaf as well. Here we have the margin part of the leaf. It's the edge of the leaf, help identify the shape and structure. And here we have the base of the leaf. It's also attached to the stem or the petiole. Like I said, so many leaves, so little time. How many leaves did you see in this video? Did you see big leaves, small leaves, short leaves, long leaves? Did you see leaves with smooth edges or jagged edges? Comment down below and let me know. Go around your garden if you have one and identify the parts of the leaves, or look around in your neighborhood and identify the leaves. Give thanks and thank you so much for watching. Bye.